Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to get more customers in your stationery shop business using WhatsApp via Facebook lead ads. So let's take an example that you are a stationery shop owner. You have created a Facebook page to advertise your business and you're running ads on that page. A lot of people are showing interest in your stationery shop business advertisement. With those ads, you are getting lots of leads on daily basis. But you are unable to reply to those leads and lose lot of potential clients. Now you want to reply to all those leads on their WhatsApp along with your stationery shop brochure or the flyer link of your business. In this way, you will be able to interact with each and every lead quickly, which can ultimately bring more sales and profit to your business. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of your Facebook leads, that is your customers, from the Facebook lead ad form. Compose a message in WhatsApp, attach your stationery shop brochure and send it to the customers. But this will be a time consuming and a tiresome process, and it becomes difficult when you have large number of leads in a single day. So how you are going to do this? The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever a Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your stationery shop brochure will be shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. But here there is a problem that there is no direct connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Facebook with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. So let us check this in the real time. So this is my Facebook page. I have given the name as Yours Stationery. This is my business name. This is the Facebook lead ad form. And this is the brochure, stationery brochure, which I have saved into my Google Drive. And this is the WhatsApp number of the customer. So now I want that whenever a customer fills this particular form, automatically my business brochure, which is saved into my Google Drive, it should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer over here. So let us just fill this form first. I'll just give the email address as adamsmith22@gmail.com. I'll give the full name as Adam Smith. And I'll give his phone number over here. And now let's click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, now let us check the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we can see a new message. Hello Adam Smith. Thank you for showing your interest in your stationery. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. You can find all the services which we offer in our stationery business. A link is mentioned. For more details, you can visit our website. Our website address is given. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, your stationery. Okay, so a message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So now let us check this link also. What is there inside this link? And here I can find the stationery brochure which is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So here you might be wondering that I just filled a form over here and automatically a message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer over here along with the brochure link. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps and anyone can do this very easily. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect and we have to create an integration between Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads. Step 2. Collect the data from Facebook lead ads form in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Facebook lead ads form. Step 3. Send the brochure to the lead on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So at step 3, whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Facebook lead ad forms, the same data will be used and your stationery shop brochure will be shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we are going to use 360 dialog software application for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way, we are going to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. Here in the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. So let us just give the workflow name as Send Stationery Shop Brochure to Facebook Leads on WhatsApp. And now let's click on Create. And here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement also. After that you can click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever the Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your stationery shop brochure is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So here in the trigger window, we have to select the application name as Facebook lead ads. In the trigger event, we have to select new lead. Now let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection and connect with Facebook lead ads. Authorization successful. And now Facebook lead ads are connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the page that we have created on the Facebook account and the lead generation form that we have created for capturing the leads. So we have to select the page. The page name is Yours Stationery. So we are going to select this particular page. And this is the lead generation form. So we have to select this also. Now let's go to Pabbly Connect and here we have to select the page that is Your Stationery, and the lead generation form is automatically captured just because I have just single form in this particular page. If you have created multiple forms, so from the drop down you can select the form whatever you want. Now before clicking on Save and Send Test Request, first we have to go to this particular form, that is the Facebook lead ad form, and we have to create a test lead just because after clicking on this option it is going to capture the recent response. For that we have to go to Facebook lead ads and we have to give the email address over here, that is shikhaarya25@gmail.com. Now let us give the full name as Shikha Arya, and now let's give the phone number over here. Let's click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, let's go to Pabbly Connect and now let us click on Save and Send Test Request. And here we can see the responses received and the details that we have filled in the form, that is the Facebook lead ad form. It is captured over here. Name Shikha Arya, her phone number and email address. Now we want to send the brochure to this particular customer on this WhatsApp number. For that we have to come to this action window, and here in the application name we have to select 360 dialog. In the action event we have to select Send Template Message. Let's click on Connect. Here we have to click on Add New Connection. Now it is asking for the API key and domain. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account. Log into your 360 dialog account. Move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on Generate API key button. Okay, so we have to go to 360 dialog account over here. So this is the dashboard of 360 dialog account. I have added the link of 360 dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 dialog application and get 360 dialog service at a very affordable price than the actual price. Here we have to come to this WhatsApp accounts. And here we can find Generate API key option. You have to simply click on this option, generate the API key, copy that API key, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the API key over here. Now once the API key is generated, the same API key can be used for various different connections and workflows. We don't have to generate the API key again and again. Now domain is required. Enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key. An example is also given. So we have to simply copy this example from here and paste the example over here. Now once our account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. In your case, if you have got some other domain name, please paste that domain name over here. Now after pasting API key here and domain name, just click on Save. As I have already generated the API key and I have already created a connection, I'll simply go to this option, choose existing connection, and I'll click on Save. Okay, and now 360 dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. As we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we have to create a template. we have to get it approved from Facebook, and once it is approved, the same template can be used for sending the messages on WhatsApp. That is the reason we have to select a specific template over here. So I'll just take you to my 360 Dialog account once again, and here we can find Manage Templates option. Click on this. Now here you can find various templates which I have created and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, simply come to this plus sign and click on Add Template. Here you can give the template name. From here you can select the category as per your requirement. Various categories are available. From here you can select the language of your choice. From here you can select the template type, and here you can give template body text. Then you have to click on preview and submit. Then it will be going for the approval, and once it is approved, you can use this template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So I'll just close this template and I'll open the one which I have already created and got it approved. That is Send Brochure Final template. Okay, where is the template? I'll just give me 1 second. Okay, this one. So I'll just open this template. Here, hello, I want the name of the customer in the first parameter. So you might be thinking I have kept some numbers in the curly braces. So why these numbers are in the curly braces? Just because these are the body fields, and the values of these body fields are going to change every time, as the name of the customer is also going to change every time. Now let us read the template. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here we want the name of the business. Now one of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check a brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our stationery business. Here you can give stationery business. A link, here you can give the link or the flyer link or the brochure link. For more details, you can visit our website. Here the website address can be mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, and here again your business name is going to come. So let us just select this template, Send Brochure Final in Pabbly Connect. So I'll just find the same template over here, that is Send Brochure Final. Now here we can see the namespace and the language code is automatically captured. So we are not going to change anything over here. Now recipient mobile number. So recipient will be the customer who is going to receive the message on his WhatsApp number. So we have already got the customer details here from the Facebook lead ad forms. So we are going to map this phone number now and this customer name. Okay, we are going to map it now. So here in the recipient mobile number, let's go to Facebook lead ads, and this is the phone number. Now body field 1, example Heather Ali. So in the name of in the template, we want the name of the customer as the first parameter, hello. So here I'll just select the name of the customer from Facebook lead ads, and the name was Shikha Arya. Now body field 2, example Pabbly Connect. Here in the template, we want thank you for showing your interest in. Here your company name is going to come. So here our company name is or our business name is Yours Stationery. So we have to simply give the same name over there in Pabbly Connect, that is Yours Stationery. Now body field 3, example software. Here in the template, meanwhile you can check a brochure which we have attached with this message. We can find all the services which we offer in our stationery business. So I'll just type the same over here, that is stationery business. Okay. Now body field 4, here we want the link. Here in the template also link is required. So I have uploaded the stationery brochure in my Google Drive over here. I'll simply make a right click on this and I'll click on share option. Here I'll get the get link option will be there. So I'll simply click on copy link. The link will be copied. I'll just go to Pabbly Connect and here I'll be pasting the link. Okay. Now body field 5. Here we want the website address. So here you can give your website address. For giving the website address, I'll just go to the Facebook page, and from here I'll simply copy this URL. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and here I'll just give the website address. Okay. Now body field 6, example Pabbly, that's the name of a company. Again we have to give the business name, that is Your Stationery. So we have to simply give the same name over here in body field 6 also. And now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, here we can see the responses received. Now let's go to WhatsApp and check whether the customer has received any message or not. And here we can see a new message. Hello Shikha Arya, thank you for showing your interest in Your Stationery. One of our team members will contact you shortly. So the same message that was there in the template, it is displayed on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Now here let me show you the parameters. This was the first value of the body field, that is Shikha Arya. The second we have given was this your stationery, your business name. Then we have given was stationery business, the third one. Fourth we have given was the link. Fifth we have given was this website address. And last we have given was this business name once again. So in this way we can see that all the values of the body fields are correctly placed in this message. Now let us check this link also, what is there inside this link. And here I can find a stationery brochure. It is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Okay, here I am just using the test brochure. So you can use your own business brochure over here. So now we can see that the correct message and the correct link is shared to the customer. Now let us go back to Pabbly Connect and let us just save this workflow. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we have to check this in the real time. For that again we have to go to the Facebook lead ad forms and we have to create one more lead over there. So I have filled this form. I have given the email address as akash44@gmail.com. Here I have given the full name, that is Akash Kapoor, and I have given the phone number over here. Now let's click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, now we have to check the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here again we can see a new message. Hello Akash Kapoor, thank you for showing your interest in your stationery. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Okay, so the same message is shared on the WhatsApp number of this customer also, that is Akash Kapoor. Now let us check this link also once again. And here I can see the page is getting loaded. Okay, so the stationery brochure is shared with this customer also. Okay, now here you can see that the data has captured immediately. But sometimes this may take time in fetching the data, as the trigger here, that is Facebook lead ads, is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. Okay, so now here we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Now let us move back to Pabbly Connect. Now I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever the Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your stationery shop brochure should be shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So in this way we have created a successful integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.